What's up, guys? I got a nice homemade real M-80, so not that bullshit 50 milligram flash powder. It's 3 grams, if not a bit more, in this tube here. Got a sparkling fuse or sparkler fuse, so it's really slow burning. And let's hope this one is loud and you can hear the echo in the mountains. All right, wish me luck, guys. Like and subscribe if you like this content. Okay. Woo. I hope you guys can hear how amazing that echo is. That one made a weird sound to it. It sounded like it was like a flying, like those bee fireworks for a second. It was like zip, and then it boomed. Yeah, that's all that's left. Got a nice little crater. All right, I'm gonna keep going.